Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Saniko Sasi with our colleagues Usniteja Sukmana, Idewa Ayu Eka Yuliani, Robertus Laipaka, Diana Fitreni, and Madiono. Today, I'll present our research with the topic exploring the relationship between dynamic capabilities, digital transformation, and IT business alignment. The growth of IT is becoming increasingly significant for all businesses. This is characterized by the emergence of various digital technology innovation and the availability of dynamic capabilities to effectively carry out the digital transformation process, aligning business and IT. Aligning business and IT is crucial for organization, especially in navigating digital transformation, leveraging dynamic capabilities, and creating competitive added value. However, the result of various previous research have shown a gap. No literature discusses the influence of dynamic capabilities in aligning business and IT in managing digital business. The condition that often occurs shows that many IT departments are still not optimal in facing the challenges of digitalization, given the sense of a continuous alignment process between IT and business. Most previous research findings have yet to see any efforts to explore the relationship between the interaction of dynamic capabilities, digital transformation, and the process of aligning business and IT in managing digital business more effectively. It explicitly states that undertaking digital transformation will always be influenced by dynamic capabilities and the interplay between business and IT alignment processes. The research problem is formulated by linking allegation to ensure that aligning business and IT in managing digital business is inseparable from the direct and indirect effect of dynamic capabilities mediated by the digital transformation construct and its indicator. The purpose of this research is to explore and a certain extent of the impact of digital transformation construct, the aligning business and IT, along with each indicator of the influence of dynamic capabilities on readiness to manage digital business. The research method was a combination of a convergent triangulation model, which were further applied to explain the feedback of analysis result. The population for this research consists of all West Kalimantan-based digital businesses that have existed for at least 5 years. The research data was collected were 198 out of 238 respondents, with a response rate of 83.19% from July to December 2023. Distributing questionnaire electronically with propulsive sampling technique. The data was processed using a Likert scale with score ranging from strongly disagree, score 1, to strongly agree, score 6, and using SAM-PLS for resource analysis. Finally, a feedback process was conducted through interviews with 5 digital business owners. In the resource path diagram model, dynamic capability positively influenced the digital transformation with a path coefficient value of 0.800. The dynamic capability construct includes indicator of sensing, seeing, and reconfiguring, and the digital transformation construct includes indicator of sensing organization and organizational restructuring. Dynamic capabilities positively influence aligning business and IT with a path coefficient value of 0.650. The business and IT alignment construct includes indicator of IT and business strategic alignment processes. Business plan reflects IT plans and IT plan reflect business plan. Furthermore, dynamic capabilities positively influence business and IT alignment mediated by the digital transformation construct with a path coefficient value of 0.263. Furthermore, the significant test value of the path coefficient shows that all original sample value and t-statistic get a positive values, and the relationship between construct has a t-statistic value bigger than t-table. Based on the path coefficient, the significant test shows that all hypotheses are acceptable. Specifically, hypothesis 3 represents novelty, where no empirical research has substantially explored the influence or relationship dynamic capabilities in performing business and IT element mediated by digital transformation. This novelty substantially explored the influence or relationship of dynamic capabilities in performing digital transformation mediated business and IT element. This study has limitation. Cross-sectional data does not allow for assessing the direction of caution between indicators and the dimension of the three construct, and it is still limited to one geographic area. However, it doesn't rule out the possibility of being applied in other areas. Managing a digital business has a very close relationship as always requires a ring between business IT element and impact and influence of digital transformation. Research can be continued by classifying in more detail each segment of digital business type and product, increasing the number of respondents who run more digital businesses without distinguishing old and new, and not only limited to one specific geographic area. And in addition to using cross-sectional data calculation, also take into account longitudinal data. Thank you. That's all my presentation. Good afternoon.